cherry cobbler in our micro pressure cooker. I had an Instapot for a long time, and honestly, I maybe used it a few times. It just scared me, the noise. It just scared me. So I'm really glad that Tupperware came out with their own pressure cooker that can go in the microwave. If you hear my son in the background, he is playing, and as long as he's not screaming, we're happy. So first I'm gonna use our Tupperware can opener. Unlike your normal Tupperware, there's not a blade that is gonna go into your can. When that blade goes into your can, it actually creates metal shards in your food that you don't even know about, but it also is cross-contaminating anything that you have actually opened the can before. I open the legs, I have them closed and grasped on here. You know that it's grasped when you can do like this. If you have someone in your life who maybe has arthritis or something wrong with their hand, you guys, this is so easy. You don't even have to really use your whole finger. You can use your hand to do this. I am gonna use my hand, but you probably won't be able to hear it because of Nolan's lovely background music he's making us, but it will click. And then all you're gonna do is open the legs, and you'll see right here there is a lip on the top. We're gonna close it again, and that's gonna bring the top off. Now the cool thing about this is, since we're not using a blade to cut the can, this is simply breaking the seal of the can. So you guys, it's not sharp at all. No parts of this is sharp. So it's not gonna rip your trash can, it's not gonna cut you. We're gonna put our cherry pie filling into our pressure cooker, and I'm gonna use my spatula to get this out. And it calls for 2 cans. So there's 1. And remember, open the legs. So now that we have this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move to our crumble of the topping. You're gonna take a 1/2 cup of butter and melt it, which I've done that already. And then you're gonna take some yellow cake mix. And we're just going to mix this up until it's crumbly. So we'll dump this in. Right on top, like so. I'm gonna grab my spatula, rest this out. Perfect. Put this over top. Looks yummy and delicious. And we're gonna put our seal back on, and we're gonna lock it into place. So to put our seal on, if you notice, there is an arrow right here on the top, and then there's an arrow on the side of the pressure cooker as well. So I'm simply gonna try to line these up, and you'll be able to feel it. It's kind of hard to explain, but you will be able to feel it. So I am in line now, you can tell. And to lock it, you're just gonna use this handle on the top and close it. Sure I've got this lined up perfectly. There we go. And then you'll lock it. All right? And then we're gonna put this in the microwave for 12 to 14 minutes, depending on your microwave. I'll probably start with 13 right in the middle. We're gonna let it naturally release the air. What you'll notice is when it's in the microwave, once the pressure is built up, this little yellow button per se is gonna lift, which is telling us that it's becoming sealed. and the pressure is in there. So once it's done, we'll take it out, we'll let it naturally release for 4 to 6 minutes, and then we'll have our yummy cherry cobbler. Okay, so I just got the cherry cobbler out of the microwave. Just a reminder, it was in there for 13 minutes. I'm gonna unlock it, which you simply just pull this up, twist, pull off, and there is our cherry cobbler. And you guys, it smells amazing. I've got ice cream, so we're gonna dip it out, put some ice cream